Customer reviews are a cornerstone of successful e-commerce. Today, let's see how you can easily add and manage customer reviews using EasyStore. First, in your Joomla backend, navigate to Components, then select SP Page Builder and click on Pages. Now, we'd like to add a review section beneath each product page to showcase customer feedback. To do this, from Pages, go under EasyStore and select Single Page. Next, navigate to the section where you'd like the reviews to appear. There are 3 add-ons related to reviews. Review Form allows users to insert their own reviews. Review Summary shows an average rating based on all of the reviews. And finally, Reviews displays the list of existing reviews. After you have inserted the review add-ons, they can be customized according to the user's preference. You can change the typography, background color, positioning, and much more. Let's check the results. The review section is now added, so let's see how it works. Once users click on the review button, they can insert their own reviews. However, they will not be able to see their review just yet. Their submission will be saved and queued for approval. You have full control to display or hide reviews on your site. From your Joomla dashboard, navigate to the Components tab on the left, then go to EasyStore and click on Reviews. Here, you can view the latest user-submitted review. To make it visible to all visitors, simply publish it. Once published, the review will be accessible to everyone on the site. Similarly, administrators also have the ability to add reviews. From the Review tab, click on the New button. Then, select the product, add your rating and finally add your review. Make sure the status is set to Published. Click on Save. This review should also be available on that specific product page. Your reviews are now live. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.